Hi everybody, it's Jordan. I'm going to go ahead and kind of break down bidirectional shift registers, and the way I'm going to do that is how I figure it, and I don't know if this will be easier for you or not. If not, then I'm sorry. Um, Hopefully this won't confuse you. Uh, Basically, there's two parts in a bidirectional shift register, and that's going to be your shift right and your shift left. Go figure. And what this is a shift right. Uh, the way it works is if these were, say, D flip-flops, I have JKs just because I had something set up. This would be your D input, and then it's going to go to your Q. Your Q is going to feed into your D. Your Q is going to feed into your D. Your Q is going to feed into your D. Your Q is going to feed into your output. And basically, I do this a little differently. The reason I have it set up like this is because it makes it easier for me to visualize the waveform. Because this is going to be your Q 0, 1, 2, and 3 on your waveforms. It's going to show up, here when you draw it out. So it's a little different, but it makes it a lot easier for me to see. To break this down just a little bit more so you can kind of understand what you're looking at, if you don't know, if you do, great. But this is your 555 timer right here. I built it and set it up to be a little bit slower than what you would normally see, or else this actual shifting right here would be faster than you're going to be able to see, and it just looks sloppy. This guy right here is your reset. I have it reset so that, again, you can see how the lights kind of stand out. It's tied back into the clock so that when it goes on a high and this light's on, then you're going to go ahead and clear and start all over again. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. That's your reset right there. Okay, so it starts here and it's going down the line. The numbers may be a little bit confusing. It doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to illustrate the point that, as you can see, the lights are going from a left to right direction. With a right shift register, you're only ever going to go right. There will be nothing coming back. So this will be your right shift register. Next, I'll show you a little bit about what a left register looks like.